this is Skylar Pena. Today we're doing a mini action movie. Please, hopefully you like the movie. Please hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. Alright! Go! Wait, shoot it now. Boom! Oh! Oh! Crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! William, defend yourself! Shoot him! Shoot him! William, shoot him! Bang! Ooh! And cut! Good. That was part 1 of the mini movie. And hope you enjoyed the part 1. We'll continue with part 2. Alright, thanks, bye.